Over the years, Microsoft has evolved from its first iteration of a business suite of online products called the Business Productivity Online Suite. Its constant availability is represented through 365, available all the time. Office 365 with its first iteration, and then we moved on to Microsoft 365. My name is Marcelo, and in this course we will look at all the important things that you need to know. In order to deploy Microsoft 365 solutions, we will look at the various administrative tools, look at the specific workloads and their functionalities. We will get familiar with the subscription options and licensing models available from Microsoft. As well, we will look at ways to troubleshoot your deployment of Microsoft 365 and properly maintain your infrastructure. Join me in this course where we're going to go deep into Microsoft 365.